I'm back with your most favorite chapter, chapter 13, Magnets. And today it is a time to see which of the magnet from your collection of magnets is most powerful and which one is the least powerful. Today we are going to do some activities to judge which magnet is having the more strength and which is having the less strength. Good morning, dear students. Well set for GSC studies. Let's go. Want to show you a video here. These are the iron fillings. Iron fillings are the small pieces which are left behind when we cut down any iron article, and with the help of bar magnet, how this bar magnet is able to stick all the iron filling at its ends. Almost all the iron filling stick to the two ends of the bar magnet. Do you know why? Because bar magnet is having the maximum strength at the ends, and its strength is going to decrease towards the center and almost zero at the center. You can also see that none of the iron filling stick in the center, only maximum iron filling stick towards the ends of this bar magnet. You can also answer a question that is given at the back of your chapter, that is, why the maximum iron filling stick to the two ends of the bar magnet? Because the magnetism is maximum. Here what you are watching, we are going to cover page number 206 and page number 207 today. At page number 206, we are having different types of materials like spoon, drinking straw, iron nails, paper pins, coins, etc. And we are going to judge about that which of the material is magnetic in nature and which is non-magnetic in nature. And at page number 207, from the collection of your magnets like bar magnet, horseshoe magnet and ball magnet, which one is having more power, we are going to judge about. Now, before going ahead, let's remind something we did yesterday. Yesterday, we have discussed about magnetic and non-magnetic materials. The materials which get attracted towards the magnet are called magnetic material, and which do not, they are called the non-magnetic material. So, here is a table given at page number 206, and the materials from our surrounding we are going to judge one by one which one is magnetic and which one is non-magnetic. Here I made a video for you. I'm having wooden matchstick, some coins, paper pins, and what you are observing, these paper pins are attracted towards the, what about this matchstick? This is non-magnetic, and this is the cap of a sketch pen, that is also non-mag, but this is magnetic one. So you can easily understand the topic. See the coin stick to the magnet, it means coin get attracted towards the magnet, it means coins are the magnetic material. But 5 rupee coin is not attracting towards the magnet. So we can conclude this in this way, that some of the coins get attracted towards the magnet and some do not, because they are made up of some different types of material. Spoon is also, some of the spoons get attracted towards the magnet. It depends upon the material used there. Drinking straw are non-magnetic. Iron nails are magnetic one. They get attracted towards the magnet. Paper pins, if these are made up of plastic, do not get. If they are made up of iron, they get attracted. What about the coins? We see with our eyes. coins get attracted, but 5 rupee coin do not. Now, an interesting do you know for you. Magnets can be used as control device to hold, separate and transfer what? Magnetic non-magnetic objects or devices. This is all about do you know, dear student? And in this way these magnets are very useful in industries, etc. Now, strength of a bar or horseshoe magnet. The strength of a magnet can be determined in terms of its attractive force. That is, the force by which materials get attracted towards it or stick to it. The more the attractive force or pull of the magnet, more is the strength of the magnet. Here, consider a collection of bar horseshoe magnets of different sizes and shapes. Suppose we want to find out the strongest as well as the weakest magnet from the given collection. A simple way of finding this is to use each magnet one by one to pick up steel clips. We will hold one end of each magnet one by one to collect these pins. The magnets which attracts the largest number of clips can be thought of as the strongest one, and which will attract less, that is weakest one. After doing all that, we will be able to show the strength of these magnets with the help of bar graph. Bar graph, you are familiar with bar graph as you have discussed about these graphs in math subject in your previous class. About, let me remind you about the Jansankhya of population of a country in this year is that, in this year is that, and which is having the maximum population, which year is having, like that. Are you ready to witness an activity? Let's see. Bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, circular magnet, and some of the stapler pins are there. We are going to do the experiment one by one with all the three magnets. Now let's see how many numbers of stapler pins this bar magnet can hold. And 3, 2 are already held by this magnet, and let's see, is it able to hold the third one? Yes, it is. Now the 3 stapler pins are held by the bar magnet. Note the fourth one. Now put it aside. This is the turn for horseshoe magnet. 1, then 2, 3 and 4. Now this horseshoe magnet can hold 4 of the stapler pins there. And now that this is the turn for the circular magnet. 1 paper pin. Is it able to hold the second one? Not at all. No. So can you guess which one is having the more power? Horseshoe magnet is having. Now with the help of this bar graph, types of magnets here in at x-axis and at y-axis, number of pins are there. Bar magnet, horseshoe magnet and the circular magnet. If bar magnet hold 3 pins, so we will put the tick here and join with the base. Likewise 4 pins by the horseshoe magnet and 1 pin by the circular magnet. In this way you can draw, as you have already learnt this making of bar graph in your previous class. In this way, last one, circular magnet, only 1 pin. So this is. Now with the help of this you can easily understand which of the magnet is having more power. Horseshoe is having the more power and circular is having the least power. This is all about the measurement of strength of various types of magnets given at page number 207. Dear students, keep collecting various types of magnets and choose the most powerful and least powerful magnets from your collection. And after collecting a data, you can represent same in the form of bar graph as given at page number 207. This is all about from my side today. Thank you. Have a good day, dear student.